Want to update WhatsApp Business and start using the latest version? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can update it. The first thing you want to do is open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, open Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search WhatsApp Business. From the search results, go ahead and select this app right here, WhatsApp Business. Now go ahead and tap on the update option. After that, the update will start downloading. Once the downloading is completed, the new update will be installed on your device. Once it says open, simply tap on that and then your application will be updated to the latest version. If you find the open option instead of update, it means that your application is already updated to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.